All right, guys, last problem, number 6. Which of the following scenarios represents the greatest percent change? Okay. F. A student grew from 60 inches to 66 inches in height. And, for my upsee, I'm going to just go ahead and write these down, right? Because I really can't work this out without the answer choices in front of me. So 60 to 66. And my question is, I can write that, I guess. What is the greatest percent change? Okay, cool. 60 to 66 inches. G. A board that measures 17 inches is cut and now measures 11 inches. So 17 to 11. H. A refrigerator that was originally priced at $630 is now $441. So it used to be $630. Now it is $441. And J. A man increased his weight from 170 pounds to 185 pounds. From 170 to 185. Okay. Very good. Get rid of this for now. Yeah. Wait, go back. Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. My plan. Let's see. How am I going to do this? Going through my mind right now as I'm thinking percent change. Bar models might be good. Ratio tables would be good. It's going to be a lot of work, though, because you have to do it 4 times. So I'm going to go with ratio table. Bar model's awesome. But remember, bar model, you're doing a ratio table along with it. So I'm just going to go do the ratio tables, take out the bar model. If I get confused with my ratio tables, then I'll draw a bar model next to it to clarify things a little bit. I'm going to erase this line because I'm going to have quite a bit of work here under my planning stage. So let's do every answer choice is going to have its own ratio table. Okay, so for F, let's see here. Let's start with my table looks like 100% on one side, right? Actually, it's percent on one side and the number on the other side. Okay, so 100% of his weight was 60, right? I don't even know what this was. I think this one was height, okay? Doesn't matter anymore. 60. And he gets up to 66. So first, what is the difference? How much did this one's an increase. How much did it increase by? Well, it increased by 6. So that's my magic number. Trying to get to 6. Okay, let's find. Let's do my percents now. So let's do 10% because that's an easy one. 10% of 60 is move the decimal over 1. That'd be 6. Hey, look! I already got my magic number. 6. Okay, so this one, the percent change is 10%. So I'm going to write that right here next to it, so I can compare them. Because remember, I'm looking for the greatest percent change. So for F, it's 10%. Awesome. That wasn't too bad at all. Let's go on for G. All right. So for G, let's see. G, 100% for G is 17. My magic number I'm trying to get to is, well, let's see. It went down to 11. So that's 17 minus 11, which is 6. So hey, then my magic number is 6 again. Okay. 100% of 17 is 6. I'm going to do, you could do 10%, but here's what I'm thinking. 10%, well, you could do 10%. Let's do 10% in my mind real quick, though. 10% is 1.7, right? Yeah. That's fine. Let's do that. 10%. I was going to do 50%. Do half of it because 50% is pretty easy to find. If you want to do that one, you could. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to do 10%. 1.7. Right? So let's see. Did I get my magic number? Nope. So I need to do, maybe let's try 20%. 20%, remember, is twice as much as 10. So that'd be twice as much as that. That'd be like, what, 3.4? Right? 40% would be twice as much as 20%. So that'd be 6.8. Oh, I passed my magic number. So the real answer is somewhere, I'm going to go I'm not going to go in much more detail. It's somewhere between 20 to 40, right? Closer to 40. So I'm going to say, because it's closer to 6 than it is to 3.4, right? It's closer to 6.8. That's really close. So I'm going to put, I might have to come closer depending on my answer choices, but I'm going to say this one's about 40%. Okay, about 40%, right? Real close. All right, answer choice H. Let's try that one out. I'm going to write it over on this side because I have room on my paper there. Answer choice H was, now I moved it so you can't see it. It started out at 630, so 100% is 630. It ended up at 441, so I got to do my difference real quick. What is my magic number? Let's see, my magic number is 189. That's what I'm trying to get to. Okay, so let's see. Let's do 10% again. 10%. If 100% is $630, then 10% would be $63. Right? I still haven't reached my magic number yet. And I can just look at this. Hopefully, you know your times table enough. 63 times 3 is 189. The 6, I see the 18 and the 6 and the 3 and the 9. So I can go ahead and say 30% is 189. That's my magic number. So this one's exactly 30%. So far, my winner's G. Let's see if J is going to beat that or not. Okay, so J is an increase from started out at 170, ended up at 185. So that's a difference of 15 pounds. That's my magic number. Okay, and let's see here. 10% of 170 is 17. And I've already gone past my magic number, so he didn't even gain 10% of his weight. He gained less than 10%. So I'm going to put that's less than 10%. Okay, so now I have enough information. I could tell you exactly what my order is. G's the biggest, and then H, and then F, and then J. But my correct answer choice would be G. That is the largest one. All right, very good. And that's it for the assignment that we did on Tuesday and that we're going to do again on Monday when we split up into groups. So if you watch this video, awesome job. Thanks for hanging in with me. You're going to do, be the awesome kid on the block on Monday. Have a good Easter.